everyone in Maths Magic in Little Angel School. So in previous exercise we have discussed about the surface area of cube and cuboid, and today we are going to discuss about surface area of cylinder in exercise 13.2. You have seen many objects at your home in the like as the water tap, pipe, and also this shape we can say is in the cylindrical shape. This shape is in the cylindrical shape, in which this yellow paper, outside this yellow paper is called the curved area. Curved surface area of cylinder is this yellow paper is the curved surface area. And if we see its top part in the circular form, and also if we see its the bottom part, then it is also in the circular part. So if we want to find the radius of the height is the radius of its base of its, let's see, if this is the center of the circle, and we can say this is the radius, and height of the cylinder is from this point to this total height is the height of cylinder. This is a cylindrical shape, this is the radius, and this is the height. If we want to find curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder means this portion where I touch the marker, that area, that portion is the curved surface area. This one, this yellow paper on which I mark a line, this shape is this portion, complete portion is the curved surface area. So if we want to find curved surface area of cylinder, generally in that short form CSA, curved surface area, CURVED, curved surface area of cylinder. In previous classes, in 8th classes, we have also discussed about curved surface area of cylinder, that is the 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r into h. Yeah, we can see, we will know that the base of the cylinder is in the circular shape. So the circumference of its base 2 pi r, because the circumference of its base is 2 pi r, because the circumference of circle base is in the circle shape, so the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. In 7th standard we have also discussed circumference is 2 pi r. So we can say area of curved surface area 2 pi r is the circumference of base multiplied with h. So we can say circumference into height. So these two formulas for curved surface area of cylinder. Generally we use 2 pi rh when radius and height are given. R is the radius of cylinder and h is the height of cylinder. If radius and height are given, then we will use this formula to find curved surface area. If circumference of its base and height are given, then we will use circumference into height for finding curved surface area. Let's see after that. Total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area means this curved portion and this portion, curved portion, and this base part, and this is top part. So we will know that we have discussed curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h, and the base part is the circle, radius of circle is r, and the area of base means circle, area of base of circle, we have discussed in earlier classes, that is pi r square. Then the total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area is the curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus this one pi r square, and the top portion also is the circle shape pi r square. After that 2 pi r h, pi r square plus pi r square, 1 chocolate plus 1 chocolate, 2 chocolate. We can say 2 pi r square. After that, what is the common in these two terms? That is the 2 pi r. So if we take 2 pi r common, then the remaining portion in the bracket, so we can write h plus r. If we take 2 pi r common from here, h is the remaining. If we take 2 pi r common, then remaining is r, because here r square. So the curved surface area of, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. And whenever we find area of any object, the unit to measure the area are the centimeter square and meter square. And we will put the radius and height in the same unit. If radius in the centimeter, then it is necessary the height is also in the putting value in centimeter. If this is meter, then both values are put in the same unit, so we can write centimeter square or meter square in the final answer. So this is the curved surface area, total surface area, area of base of circle, and circumference of base of circle. These are basic formulas and basic concept about the cylindrical shape. So let's start with a question. First question of exercise 13.2, in which curved surface area and height are given. Right circular cylinder means circular cylinder, same है, कोई difference नहीं है. Right circular cylinder, height given है, area given है. Curved surface area given है, that is 88 centimeter square, and height also given, that is 14 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder also given, and height of cylinder is also given. We have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. It means curved surface area is given, height is also given. We have to find the diameter of the base of the circle. And we have discussed in previous classes also that the diameter is the twice of radius. Twice of radius. It means we have to find radius. So, if we have to find radius from this question, what we do? We know that, right, formula of CSA of cylinder, that is the 2 pi r h. And according to the question, CSA of cylinder is given, that is the 88 meter square. Then CSA is equals to 88 is equals to 2 pi r h. Put the value. 2 value of pi is the 22 divided by 7, multiply r is the radius, and that is the we have to find. H is the height of the cylinder, that is given 14 centimeter is equals to 88. We can check. Area is the centimeter square, and the height of the cylinder we have put in the centimeter. Centimeter square and centimeter, these are the same unit. So after calculation we have got 7 to the 14. 2 multiply 22 multiply 2. 2 to the 4. 4 multiply 22, we get 22 for the 88. Multiply with r is equal to 88. We have to find r. This implies that r is equal to 88. Multiply वाला 88 कहाँ शिफ्ट होगा? Divide. So it will be go to divide, and 88 divided by 88 we get. This implies that r is equal to 1 centimeter. This is the final answer. R is equal to 1 centimeter. But we have to find the diameter. Diameter is the twice of radius. So we get diameter is equal to 2 into 1, that is the 2 centimeter. This is the necessary to write unit after finding the solution. If we have find cost, then there is a no unit, there we have write in the final answer rupees. So exercise 13.2 you have to do in your rough notebook. If there is any doubt, so you can consult with me. Thank you so much.